I'm excited that today I'm going to go to a mine that I started digging out like 2 weeks ago and finished digging my way into it. Last time I was there, I got to look just inside. I got a hole open big enough to stick my camera through and just be able to see inside of this mine that's been closed for years. I would suppose nobody's been in this mine in more than 20 years. I have no idea when they closed it off, but I'm going to be the first one in there in quite some time. I'm anxious to go look around, see what's in there, see if it looks like there was any ore that was left in the workings. My hope would be to see if I can find some gold ore that is worth working in this gold mine. So I'm excited that that's what I'm going to get to try and do today. Almost to the mine I'm looking for now. I'm standing above it on this bluff. It is down below, just through the trees here is the top of the waste rock pile. And if you look close enough, you can see the tracks for the ore cart just in the middle of that. It's pretty cool.
That's cool.
All right, I think I've about got this open far enough to maybe think about crawling in. Need to get down here and look a little more. Maybe we'll see if we can get a shot with some light. All right, so I've gotten the hole dug to the place where I think I can fit into it. Still not real big. I don't know if maybe we can get a picture of it behind me. I'm not very good at this. I think I can probably get into the hole at this point. It's going to be a little bit of a squeeze. I'm going to take my shovel with me just in case I need to use it more when I want to get back out. All right, here goes nothing. All right, a few more shovel holes. I think I could make it, but I think it doesn't feel real good there. All right, take number 2 at trying to get in. See how this goes. All right, here we go. No one has seen inside this mine in who knows how many years. So here is our first look inside. Now, unfortunately, we got water. And I didn't bring my water boots with me. But right now I can see back probably 50, maybe 60 feet in there. Overall, doesn't look too bad. Looks like the tunnel's in good shape. The roof looks good. Walls look good. There's the tracks in the water. Heading on out. Next time I'll have to bring my boots, I guess. Kind of echoey in here. Don't know if the phone picks that up or not. All righty then. All right, time to head back out. Selfie stick out of here too. Sorry about all the heavy breathing. It's just the way it goes. I feel like a real spelunker. Well, minus knowledge of spelunking and appropriate safety gear and things.